Hello, my name is Nikolai Latovkin and this is Big Guns. Today's video looks at the rifle that Labaev Arms made for the Deadpool film sequel.
Oh, hello.
Today's weapon is an extra-light DVL-10 M2 sniper rifle for the 308 Winchester. It's perfect for combat situations in urban areas with a range of up to 1 kilometer, making it the perfect choice for the new Marvel film. In addition to its accuracy, weight, and heavy-duty aluminum construction that withstands temperatures from -40 to +60 degrees Celsius, a key feature of this rifle is its ability to change barrels. Put simply, in a field, you can change the 308 Winchester to a 338 Federal, add a silencer, and create a suppressed rifle capable of penetrating 5th class protection. In the movies and computer games, it's common to see shots fired at barrels of gasoline to take out numerous bad guys at a time. In this installment, we're gonna fire some hot lead at a barrel of gasoline and a tank of gas. When we shot the 308 Winchester from 100 meters at a barrel, we smashed it to pieces. The gasoline canister broke, but there was no explosion because the fuel didn't ignite. Now let's try shooting at a bigger gas canister. How about some gasoline? This time, let's add a pyrotechnics target and see what happens when we shoot it.
Bada boom.
The shot completely ripped the gas canister apart, and the fragments of the barrel were blown towards us, landing only meters away. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, like us, and I'll see you in 2 weeks. Bye-bye.